Let's make our stroll more fun and make learning more fun. As we stroll along together, we will learn some confusing English words. First, advice versus advice. Second, compliment versus compliment. Third, lose versus lost versus loss versus lose. They all sound similar to each one, right? Oh no, so confusing. How to use them right? If you don't want to be confused anymore, stay with me. Okay? Aja, let's start. First, advice versus advice. How to pronounce? The ICE ending of advice is pronounced like ice in ice cream, while ISE ending of advice is pronounced like the IZE in realize. Again, repeat after me. Advice. Good. Next, advise. Okay, good. Next, what is the difference in meaning? Advice is always a noun, meaning an opinion or recommendation offered as a guide to action or conduct. For example, my brother gave me one piece of advice. Always be on time. Next, advise is always a verb meaning to give counsel to, offer an opinion or suggestion as worth following. For example, she advised him to avoid drinking too much alcohol. How to remember? It's actually easy. Advice is a noun just like ice or ice cream. Advise is a verb just like is. If you notice, ice in advice is there. Is in advice is there. Okay, that's clear. So let's try again. Let's use both advise and advice in a sentence. If you advised a friend, you are giving her a piece of advice. Is it clear now? Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Compliment versus compliment. These are commonly confused terms because they're pronounced alike and originally shared some meanings. What do we mean by compliment with an E? It is something that completes, enhances, or makes something perfect, or in other words, when two things go well together or complete each other. Also, this word is often used in food and in fashion to describe matching styles or ingredients. Here's our sample sentences. His black suit was a nice compliment to his black shoes. That wine complements the meat dish well. Yummy. Okay, next one. What do we mean by compliment with an I? Compliment as a noun means an expression of praise, commendation, or admiration. For example, she gave her brother a compliment on his delicious cooking. Again, it's food. Are you hungry? Like me? Okay, next. Compliment as a verb means to praise or express admiration for someone. For example, she complimented his brother on his delicious cooking. You get it now? Okay. Let's use both compliment and compliment in a paragraph. A great compliment that someone can give you when you are in a relationship is when a person says that you and your partner compliment each other. The reason why this can be a great compliment is because it means that you and your partner help each other to become better people because you bring out the best in each other, or that you help each other to have better lives. Easy, right? Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Lose versus lost versus loss versus lose. Do you get confused between these words? They all sound similar, but they are used at different situations. Let's see. Lose is a verb meaning be deprived of or cease to have or retain something. It is also used when you become unable to find something. Examples: I hope he does not lose his job. He's always losing his car keys. Next one. Lost is the past tense of lose. Examples: the baby was crying because she lost her toy. 5 local men were lost in a fishing disaster. That's sad news. Next one. Lost is a noun form. It is defined as having something or someone leave or be taken away from someone. It can also mean when a company is losing their money. Examples: the war caused incalculable loss. The doctor's retirement is a great loss to the community. Next one. Lose is an adjective which is used to describe something which is not firmly, tightly fixed, or something which is not tied together or attached properly. Examples: the screw became loose. I wear loose clothes when it is hot. Let the dog loose. Can't you see he wants to run around? Okay, is everything clear now? Yay! We hope your confusion is solved or cleared after watching this video. Please give a thumbs up. You can comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated for more educational videos. Goodbye. Thank you.